Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Chevy Impala LT, stock number Z7730XX. 29,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, blue velvet metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Impala is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the large car class, seats 5. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Very large trunk, one of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This Impala has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. It's also where you set the forward collision alert. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 305 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with those 305 horses. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.